Because science is so non-ritualistic, the scientific method wants to take away the mystery of healing and reduce it to straightforward science. We find it doesn't work. We train doctors at the Chopra Center. They get 23.5 CME credits for taking our training. It's a 1-week training. And we've been doing it now for 20 years. The AMA sent people to monitor the courses, and they do that periodically. So we give people a scientific basis for these various interventions. Because science is so non-ritualistic, the scientific method wants to take away the mystery of healing and reduce it to straightforward science. We find it doesn't work. As long as you engage the patient through rituals, through music, through poetry, through chanting, through interaction, they're more likely to be engaged. So there was value to tradition. When you take the same thing and you take it out of the tradition, it doesn't work as well.